Birria challenge. Today I am at the Disneyland Resort to do a Birria versus Birria challenge. I'll insert some sound effects right there. We're gonna start at Disneyland and try the new Beef Birria Toasted Cheese at Jolly Holiday. I've already mobile ordered it, and 45 minutes from now I have mobile ordered over at Cocina, Cucamonga, the Beef Birria Tacos. So this is the theFUNnelCakeBlog's official Beef Birria challenge. If you're unfamiliar with birria, it originates out of Jalisco from Mexico. It is a slow braised meat. Typically, it's made out of goat, simmered in a variety of spices, adobo, garlic, cayenne pepper, and then is served any way you want it, I guess, as a stew or a consommé. And tacos, burritos. As of late, the Birria Tacos are a craze here in Southern California, and while this is not anything new, I think Teddy's Red Tacos, which used to be a truck that opened a location in Venice, kind of brought the craze back. And ever since then, everybody is serving Birria Tacos, including El Pollo Loco, which actually aren't too bad, believe it or not. They're just not very big. So from Jolly Holiday, this is the Beef Birria cheese dip. It's got the birria, onion, salsa verde, and pepper jack cheese on a toasted sourdough with consommé. This looks a little different than the consommé at Cocina Cucamonga, but let's try it. It looks good. First off, this is a huge sandwich, and it wasn't really cut, so all the meat fell out, but let's give it a try. That bread is delicious. The meat, perfectly tender. Got a little bit of kick from that salsa verde. Let's try that with the consommé. The sandwich is so large you could probably split it if you get a dessert, if you're snacking throughout the day, but this is delicious. I think I actually enjoy this more than the tacos. Is it authentic Mexican cuisine? Absolutely not. But is it a good theme park item with birria? Yes. So Beef Birria Toasted Cheese is the official name. It is $13.49 from Jolly Holiday. And when it was introduced, it was under the seasonal menu. Now it's under favorite. So it looks like it's around to stay for a while. Thoughts on the Beef Birria Toasted Cheese? It was absolutely delicious. It is a huge sandwich, and I could only finish about half. Between the toasted bread, which was very, very oily, and then the consommé, which was greasy, and then the meat and the cheese and the salsa, it was very, very, very rich. I would recommend it. I really liked it. I would get it again, but I would split it with someone and not eat the whole thing myself. Over at DCA, the consommé is a little bit heartier. Here it was pretty much just kind of like an oil or a grease, if you want to say, really just the juice from the meat. But it was good, like I said, very, very tasty. Now we're headed over to DCA to try the tacos at Cocina Cucamonga. But I don't think you can go wrong with this grilled cheese. But like I said, very, very, very rich. Make sure you split it with someone. Both the tacos and the sandwich from Jolly Holiday and Cocina Cucamonga can be mobile ordered. So before I left the house, I mobile ordered the sandwich here at Jolly Holiday and then scheduled the tacos for 45 minutes later over at DCA with the park hopping in between. So there was absolutely zero wait. I waited a couple minutes for the sandwich to come up, but other than that, planned the day perfectly. There was a guest trying to come in without a ticket or a pass saying that she was returning for the day. And a cast member was like, I believe you, but without a ticket, I unfortunately can't let you in. Good try though. We have successfully hopped into DCA, headed to the Wharf now to go to Cocina Cucamonga. Bring on the hate mail, but comment below. This is not my favorite section of the park by any means. I'd prefer to have Bugs Land back. Tough to be a bug and the Heimlich choo-choo train. From Cocina, Cucamonga at the Pacific Wharf at Disney California Adventure. These are the QuesaBirria Tacos. You get two. They're $11.99. Comes with the Consommé with the onions and cilantro. See, that looks much better than over at Jolly Holiday. You also get the radishes and the limes. So this is $2 cheaper than Jolly Holiday, but Jolly Holiday there was a lot more food. But these are much more traditional and they are delicious. Make sure you grab a spoon so you can heat the consommé when you're done. You don't want to leave any of that behind. So we're gonna dip. When you dip, I dip, we dip. Who remembers that song, Freak Nasty? Here we go. See, everybody wants birria. They're running. Their mobile order is ready. So the shell is definitely greasy, but in a good way. So you've got crispy, crunchy shell, the meat inside with the melty cheese, the consommé. If you don't get it all over your face, it's not any good. I've been trying to eat with my mouth closed. If you watched my videos from Knott's the other day, we did get a nasty comment on our video from the fair that we were eating with our mouths open, which I don't believe we were, but anyway. So now I'm cutting away as I eat. The tacos are gone, so I've put my radishes in my consommé. I'm gonna eat it as a soup. Don't let it go to waste. Who wins the Beef Birria Challenge? Beef Birria Challenge. I'll insert a sound effect there. So we've got the QuesaBirria Tacos at Cocina Cucamonga, your classic QuesaBirria Tacos with delicious consommé. Or we've got the Beef Birria Toasted Cheese at Jolly Holiday, a thick, hearty, greasy sandwich filled with meat. So the grilled cheese had a lot more meat. It was definitely splittable. It was about $2.50 more than the tacos. But the tacos are a traditional. Now again, don't send me hate mail. They are not authentic. They're not like your family made. They are a theme park taco. So you have to kind of judge it against theme park food. But for what they are, they're really good tacos. Better than Universal's. Definitely better than El Pollo Loco's. Better than Baja Fresh has some now. Are they as good as your neighborhood roadside taco stand? No. Are they as good as Teddy's Red Tacos? No. But for theme park food, they are delicious. So you can't really go wrong with either one. So I'm going to have to say it's a toss-up. If I had to choose between one, I would go with the tacos because they're more traditional and they weren't as heavy. But if you're looking to split something, that sandwich was definitely a good choice. Both are available on mobile order, so you can pre-order them. I pre-ordered both before I even left the house today. And they both accept your Magic Key discount. So I got my discount on those with my Belief Pass. Cannot go wrong with either one. So there really isn't a winner today. Sorry about that. There is a whole new menu of items over at Disneyland for the nighttime spectaculars, and we tried all of those. I'll put a link to that video down in the description. I'll also put a link to the video where I tried the Birria Tacos at Universal Studios and did not like it down in the description. Now for the nighttime entertainment food, some of them are absolutely delicious. One went straight in the trash. So if you want to see what I took one bite of and then threw in the trash, you're going to have to watch the video. Link down in the description. This worked out perfect. Both restaurants, mobile order and park hopped. And we'll get home before 5 o'clock. If you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And where is everybody? There's nobody down here. Hit that subscribe button. Has my hat been crooked this whole time? Hit that subscribe button, and you can follow us on social media at theFUNnelCakeBlog on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Thanks for watching.